Greetings everyone. I hope you're doing well. This is JW. I'm going to talk on XRP once more. Thank you for your support. Alright, great. The coin's key, we have lost this low here, so I have to project to the downside unfortunately, because what we have is a God candle back test just there for XPK, so on the way up here in. I believe it was January we had an invalidation of my theory that this is a beautiful imposed wave 1 and expanded flat correction wave 2, and right now we're looking explosive third wave. Currently, I'm just sitting on my hands waiting to see what XRP does next. Produced this lovely bullish impulse, the flag pattern was returning, and I remembered trading this really well. However, during the break, we created a GOG candle right there on the daily time frame, and we haven't returned to it. I believe that this is what the correction is looking for at the moment, and the fact that we've lost this key low from January of this year right now in this piercing here in this wick. Basically, that's the red line I think we're looking for, is a minimal. I believe we are calling the correction, and I believe it's a deep correction coming back down to this scenario here, where we created this 5-wave impulse 1, 2, 3, flat 4, 5. So ever since this point here, we've actually been in some kind of weird correction. In the correction, why? BA. The reason I'm projecting down right now rather than up is simply that we've lost structure here. We've lost this low, and we've lost this low, and we've lost this low. So right now I have to project to the downside, because what we're doing is creating lower highs, and right now we're actually creating a lower low. Again, it's structure from this point here. We've lost the wave 1 impulse. So again, really simple technical analysis. I did actually think, and I hold my up, we had the A, the B, the C, and we was done at that point, and it was a flat wave 2 correction. So obviously I would love to be wrong. I would love to look at some kind of bear trap and things like that. I looked at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The flat extended wave 2, and then boom, continuation. Unless this bear trap by XRP blows it up again and takes that pivot point here, I have to project. To the negative once again, I would search for more information and keep you informed as I receive it. However, I believe that what we are currently searching for is a chance that this has been an impulsive wave 1, and that this is a straightforward ABC zigzag that is decreasing, similar to this, and this is the one, the 2. Before we do start to spin around there's the big 3, which has lost this support, and this support is usually what we see in a third wave of a C wave. There's your 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Then there's this W, which is a BC zigzag 2, and then this is a monster third wave that's approaching, is the only bullish thing I see for or pi going forward. Now, you are aware that we lost this kilogram yesterday, and I was wrong to believe that this was some sort of correction, a BC wave 2 back down to it before continuation. I apologize for that, but as I previously stated, I don't have a crystal ball. But there is a narrative that's currently being floated that claims that the massive decline that we've experienced for XOP and the entire crypto market is due to fear-mongering with the World War I scenario, Iran and Israel, and things like that. This is a bearish statement for XRP in the short term. Because we've lost this structure of a potential wave 1 and are now returning like this. I still have to project to the downside, because what I haven't seen in this move down is 5 waves basically, so 1, 2, 3 looking for a 4th and a final 5th wave down. This could potentially complete the C wave right there of a B and a C, which is absolutely possible, but typically what we do see in C waves is a 1, a 2, a big 3, which is what I think we're. In that case, we would have a lot further to go in the wave, and things might get even nastier across the cryptocurrency market, so I'll try to keep your information as accurate as possible. However, from this point on, we're simply tracing for the continuation of the trend, so 1, 2, 3 ABC flat 4, 5 bullish impulse as a possible scenario, and all of this drawing back down to the 1 fib is just a correction, a macro correction, okay? So we can drop the fibs and see exactly where we could sort of guesstimate where we're going to go. So this is the A wave, this is the B wave, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of the final C wave basically. This is what we're looking at, and I believe we're looking at a minimal target of 0.3831 for XRP. It could actually win a bit deeper, absolutely possible. The validation right now is really simple, getting your ass back above this key pivot point that we put in way back there in the crypto markets. However, what we typically see with XRP in wave 2 corrections, quite deep wave 2 corrections in the crypto markets, is a 786 fib being tested. Okay, so again this would be a 1, 2 ABC flat 4, 5. Unless it turns around and does something similar, then it's a bear trap. As of right now, the simple technical analysis is projecting to the downside very simply, okay, and all we're doing is impulsive. This is all corrective, coming back down to the fibs to where we came from, which is a single fib in January of 2023 before continuation. Let me know if you understand that this was a bear trap in March of this year. Of the trend, so I'm wishing luck to all of you. Keep strong and well, keep focused and take care of each other. I'll see you all in another XRP update. Goodbye, target.